Craving crispy, golden fries on the road without the bulk of a full kitchen? Discover the best small air fryers designed perfectly for your RV lifestyle. Today, I'm counting down the 5 best compact air fryers for RV life, ranked from good to unbeatable, so you can enjoy healthy, delicious foods even in the tightest spaces. Stick around, because the top pick might just surprise you with the features you never knew you needed. Number 5. Topz 2.1 QT Compact Air Fryer. True to its name, this device is genuinely compact and lightweight, ideal for a tiny RV countertop or for solo travelers with limited storage. It's impressively affordable, which makes it a great entry-level option for anyone new to air frying on the road. During hands-on testing, what stood out most was just how small and unobtrusive this air fryer is. The mini design fits easily alongside other appliances, and the 2.1-quart basket is sized just right for single meals, snacks, or reheating leftovers. Notably, it boasts a removable nonstick basket, and the parts are dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as breezy as your next camping trip. As much as I love its portability, there are a few limitations. The dial-based controls do work, but the air fryer lacks a true touchscreen interface. You'll find yourself twisting mechanical knobs that feel a bit dated, and adjusting the temperature and time isn't as fluid as on pricier models. The cooking presets are found on the top and offer some guidance, but they're quite basic compared to smarter options out there. When it comes to cooking performance, foods like chicken tenders and fries came out crisp and evenly cooked, retaining that satisfying deep fry texture with far less oil than a pan. However, the tight basket size won't work for anything more than a light meal for 1 or 2 people at a time, which makes it less suitable for those looking to feed larger groups or prep food in batches. 4. DASHTasti-Crisp 2.6 QT Electric Air Fryer Oven. Dash is a brand known for fun, user-friendly kitchen appliances, and this model is no exception. With a slightly larger basket than Topz, it's a good pick for couples or anyone who wants a bit more versatility without sacrificing space. I found the Air Crisp technology does a genuinely impressive job at reducing oil while crisping food efficiently. Whether you're reheating pizza, crisping up some French fries, or making chicken wings after a long hike, the results are consistent and tasty. The auto shutoff feature is excellent for peace of mind, especially if you tend to walk away while your food is cooking. However, the Dash also has its compromises. Its cooking presets are somewhat limited. The model only comes with a small selection, and the included recipe guide is hit or miss. While the straightforward dial controls are easy for beginners, they don't offer the intuitiveness or customization found in higher-tier products. Some trial and error is needed for best results, especially with less conventional foods. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe tray, and the compact build fits snugly into tight storage spots or cramped kitchenettes. The build quality feels decent, but the overall design leans more budget than premium, which is reflected in the finish and materials. If you value simplicity, modest pricing, and reliability over high-tech bells and whistles, the DASHTasti-Crisp is a trustworthy pick. Just don't expect advanced controls or gourmet-level presets, but for small RV kitchens and daily snacks, it'll more than do the job. 3. Bare Small Air Fryer 2.1 QT. Kicking off our top 3 is the Bare Small Air Fryer 2.1 QT, a surprisingly robust contender for compact living. The Bare stands out with its ultra-quiet operation, which is a blessing in the close quarters of RVs or small homes. In testing, I noticed right away just how unobtrusive it was, allowing for peaceful conversations even while air frying a batch of crispy veggies. What's even better is the basket design. Despite its 2.1 QT capacity, it feels slightly more accommodating than some competitors, thanks to its tall, square build. This means you can experiment with different meal types, from fries to seasoned chicken chunks, without the need for much oil at all, delivering up to 85% less fat per serving compared to regular frying. The Bare also wins points for ease of use. The dual knob control is pleasantly tactile. Adjust the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer up to 60 minutes. There's a handy quick cook guide etched right on the top, so you're not left guessing at optimal settings for your favorites. Cleanup is effortless too, with the non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe crisper tray. Just rinse and go. While harder to find in stores than some others, this air fryer demonstrates remarkable energy efficiency. Rather than firing up a stove or microwave for snacks, I was able to whip up dinner in less time and with less mess. It doesn't offer smart features, but that simplicity is actually refreshing at this price point. 2. Midea Air Fryer 5.5 Quart. Runner-up goes to the Midea Air Fryer 5.5 Quart, a game changer for anyone who travels with family or craves more cooking flexibility in their RV kitchen. With a generous 5.5 quart capacity, this model is almost unheard of in terms of batch size among portable fryers, so you can prepare meals for more people without constant cycling in and out of the basket. Upon powering up, the Midea impresses instantly with its heat express technology. Foods cook quickly and evenly, and its square, compact footprint fits under cabinets or tight shelves, a critical advantage in small RV spaces. Controls are delightfully intuitive, with 9 preset cooking modes that let you grill, bake, roast, dehydrate, or just air fry with a single button press. A standout feature is the +1 minute button. Anyone who loves precision will appreciate how easy it is to nudge up cook times. The favorite setting is also a boon for travelers who stick to certain snacks or meals. It remembers your most used temperature and time combos, streamlining your routine. From a practical standpoint, the Midea excels at everything from roasted potatoes to crispy vegetables to reheated pizza. The non-stick basket proved its worth time and time again, especially with sticky or glazed dishes. Cleaning the drawer and inner basket was easy, and both are dishwasher safe. Other design highlights include a sturdy build quality and thoughtful details like an accessible control panel. Number 1. Bella 4 Quint Slim Air Fryer. Taking the number 1 spot is the Bella 4 Kit Slim Air Fryer, a top pick for RVers seeking a balance of space-saving design, power, and high-end performance. The first thing you'll appreciate is the ultra-slim profile. Despite its roomy 4-quart basket, fitting up to 3.3 pounds of food, it occupies barely any counter space and is designed explicitly to fit even the smallest kitchens or RV setups. The Bella shines with its Evergood ceramic nonstick coating, free of PFAS, PFOA, and other chemicals. That means healthier cooking and incredibly easy cleanup. In my experience, nothing stuck to the tray, and a quick wipe or dishwasher cycle left it spotless. The digital controls are intuitive, with 6 cooking presets ranging from air fry to bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, ideal for everything from crispy fries to jerky made on your road trip 10. Performance-wise, the Bella consistently delivered even, reliable results across a variety of meals. Its powerful 1300-watt heating works fast, making everything from snacks to full dinners in record time. I was especially impressed with how food came out perfectly browned without burning the outside or leaving the inside cold. The auto shutoff and audible alerts are thoughtful touches for busy campers who don't want to babysit their food. Another plus is the stylish design, available in trendy colors that look great in any kitchen decor. The build feels top-notch, and it's surprisingly quiet. Every feature feels like it has the RV enthusiast in mind. Conclusion: each of these compact air fryers offers something special for RVers, but the Bella 4 Quint Slim Air Fryer takes the crown for its unique blend of features and performance. Whether you're a solo nomad or cooking for a crew, these models guarantee that eating well on the road has never been easier or tastier.